In this video I'm going to show you how to download and play Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut on your PC. So the first step is go to Google, after that search for Ghost of Tsushima. As you can see, there are a lot of options to click on, but what we will do is click on the Steam link. After that you will enter your date of birth to verify your age, and after that view the page. Now we scroll a little bit down. You get a lot of information about this game, and after that you will see the price of this game is currently set at 40 euros. But I will give you a heads up, we will go to g2a.com, and if you go there and type in Ghost of Tsushima and then search, then we will filter it on the lowest price and select games on the left side. And we scroll a little bit down, and there you can see it is a lot cheaper. We can download it for only $35, and that is a lot less than the price on Steam itself. Enjoy playing!